Okay guys, so today I'm going to make some baked chermoula chicken. Is that how you pronounce that? Have I pronounced it correctly?
Tell me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you.
So this is what it looks like. It has got couscous in it. It says about 25 to 30 minutes of prep time. It's got all the steps right here. This is the bag for it. As you see, it's color coded to this one here. I had thawed the chicken overnight. So this is the chicken that I'm going to use. Let's see, it has got everything. So what I'm expecting this brown bag to have is so some spinach, yes. We've got some chermoula spice blend, so this is the correct one, I guess. Okay, moving on, we have got couscous, we've got silvered almonds. Some people call it almonds. Doesn't change what it is. This is a cucumber. Sorry, why was I holding that like that? That's weird. I've got the carrot, I've got tomato, a lemon, 2 cloves of garlic. Like I said before, if the recipe needs 2 garlic cloves, that's what you'll get inside the bag. I just love this stuff. And you've got some stock cubes. This is chicken stock cubes. All right, so let's get started. Let's make this. So step 1 says I have to slice the chicken breast like that in small pieces, and I have to use the Greek yogurt. So I've got the Greek yogurt and I've got the spice blend. So this needs to go in here, which I'm going to do now. In it goes. You can convenience. So there you go. Let's just mix it up. All right. Okay, so while the chicken marinates on the side, the next step says you have to chop all the vegetables. So you've got the carrots and the cucumber and the lemon and the spinach and the tomato. All right, so I'm going to chop all that and also the cloves. So let me just quickly do that. Okay, so we get to this side of the kitchen now where we have to roast the almonds and we have to bake the chicken. I am going to speak a bit louder to be heard above the exhaust fan. I hope I'm not shouting.
Tell me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. Just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free. like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eyes so I can tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Every day is something new if I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now. How you move and what you do has made me so crazy about you now. Love, we can go anywhere you like and do.
Okay, so we are done. It took me roughly about 45 minutes because I was doing the video, stopping and those kind of things. So, but amazing results. This is what it looks like, guys. And now I'm going to show you what this looks like. Look, that and this. See? That's why I use the hashtag what you see is what you get. So definitely amazing results. I'm just going to have a little bit and tell you what it tastes like. One minute. Oh my god. I'm not joking, you guys. No kidding here. Not exaggerating. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. It's so amazing. Even I'm still eating. Sorry, I have to show you what Cooper's reaction is to this. Yes, Cooper? You like that? Yeah, all the smell and all that beautiful fragrance. Oh my god. Okay, you are going to get some chicken now. So guys, Cooper is now settled. I have just fed him some chicken and I'm going to go enjoy my meal. What was it called again? Baked Chermoula Chicken. So amazing stuff. I have to do all the cleaning. One thing good about this is, you have got the brown bag with you, so as you go, keep all the rubbish inside, and when you're done, you just wrap it up and throw it in the bin, spray the platform and clean it up. So no one can tell what happened here unless you watch this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out and encourages me to make more videos like this. Hope you like this video and hope you try HelloFresh. I'm just going to repeat again what I said in the beginning. The whole reason I went with HelloFresh was the ease and the convenience of cooking. It takes all the drama out of it and it leaves all the doubt aside. You've got the recipe card, you've got all the ingredients you need. So yes, I do recommend HelloFresh, and I do recommend that you please go and try it. There will be a link below to where you can get all the discounts from. So all the best, stay healthy, eat fresh, and please subscribe.